Hello， 你好姐姐。
Hello.
姐姐 ，What's your name?
My name is Siti Sulistyorini.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 45 years old.
Okay, is it you get married?
Yes, I'm married.
Okay, 咁你有幾多個小朋友
I have one daughter.
？Okay，廣東話識唔識？
識
識嘅。OK，咁我用廣東話問你啦。咁啊，小朋友幾多歲啊？
我個小朋友而家18歲。
18歲。
係。
咁你以前咧有冇照顧過 BB 啊？
冇照顧小朋友。
小朋友係，仲有冇照顧過老人家嗰啲？
有。
OK，咁啊，so you can go to the market, buy anything ordered by the employer.
I go to market by myself.
Okay. But for example, employer let you buy, I want this, then let you go down.
Yes.
Just show you the pictures, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So is it your holiday only fixable on Sunday? Or maybe employer can exchange the money to
Any
you?
day can.
Any day can. Okay. So is it you prefer have your own room or share room also can?
It's okay, no problem.
Okay. So do you know how to boil, how to cook the Chinese food or make the Chinese soup?
Yes, can.
OK，咁啊，姐姐，我想問你平時煮飯你識煮啲乜嘢啊？排骨啊嗰啲識唔識啊？
識。
蒸排骨，滷水咧
滷水識。
OK，咁啊，如果蒸蛋啊、蒸魚啊都唔 OK 啊？
係 OK。
海鮮得唔得啊？Seafood。
Seafood 得。
OK，好啊 OK，咁啊，最後想問你一個問題，你驚唔驚貓貓狗狗？
唔驚。
唔驚，好啊 OK，唔該晒，拜拜。
拜。